Most people want to make their first million, but very few ever do. It's not because they're not smart. It's because they're not strategic. So today, I'm going to speak to you like a mentor. No fluff, no hype, just straight talk about how to hit your first million and win in every area of life, business, wealth, health, and happiness. Brain section 1, the business reality check. Let's start with business because that's your engine. If you're like most entrepreneurs, you've got too many ideas. You're trying to build multiple things at once, a brand here, a consultancy there, and you end up half winning everywhere instead of dominating one thing. Here's the truth. To make your first million, you need one vehicle, one business model that becomes your cash machine. Pick your main offer, your flagship service or product. Systemize it, automate it, and then scale it. Don't chase new ideas every week. Build the one that feeds all others later. Focus multiplies money. Distractions divide it. If you can't explain how your business makes money in one sentence, you don't have a business, you have a hobby. Moneybag section 2, the wealth game. You don't get rich by saving. You get rich by building assets that cash flow. The first rule of money. Every euro should either grow your brand, buy you time, or earn you more euros. The first 100,000 euros is slow, you'll grind for it. But once your systems compound, the next 900,000 euro will come faster than you imagine. Stop thinking like a hustler. Start thinking like an investor. Don't work for money. Build systems that make money for you. Flex biceps section 3, health, the fuel for success. You can't build an empire if your body's collapsing. Energy is your real capital. Work out, sleep, eat clean. Protect your mornings, no phone, no chaos. Just clarity. When your energy is strong, your decisions are sharper, your presence is powerful, and your confidence doubles. Health isn't optional, it's leverage. Red Heart section 4, love and happiness. Success without peace is failure in disguise. Choose your circle carefully, partner, friends, collaborators. They either drain or multiply your energy. And don't chase attention. Build connections that make you better. Happiness doesn't come after success. It's the fuel that drives it. Do something every week that reminds you why you're alive, not just why you're hustling. Happiness is not the reward. It's the requirement. Fire section 5, the straight truth. If you want to hit your first million, here's the mindset. You're not building a business. You're building a machine that buys freedom. Every system, every euro, every action should move you closer to that goal. It's not about working harder. It's about thinking sharper, acting faster, and staying consistent when others quit. Discipline, focus, systems, freedom. This is MindTrive Biz, where we train not just the mind for business, but the business for life. If you're ready to go from vision to your first million, subscribe, stay tuned, and let's build it together. MindTrive Biz, build freedom, not just income.